Now, if you ever ask the question, can I really make money blogging? Just take a look at the income reports of Melissa Griffin of melissagriffin.com, Pat Flynn of Smart Passive Income, or Michelle over at makingsenseofsense.com. Now, let me be 100% clear because I don't want you to think that I'm selling hype or trying to puff you up. Not every blogger is going to make $100,000 a month blogging. And truth be told, it takes time to build an income from blogging. No matter what success stories you've heard on different blogs, no true success ever happened overnight. That type of stuff only happens in the movies. But what if you could build your blog up to a cool $2,000, $5,000, or even $10,000 a month doing what you love in the next 6 to 12 months? I've done just about everything as an online business owner: network marketing, affiliate marketing, web design, brand coaching, speaking, and now my primary focus is with online courses. So let me tell you that it can be done. It can be done. It can be done. So once you get some traffic flowing and that email list of yours popping, there are all types of opportunities to make money with your blog. So in this lesson, I really want to break down the 5 top ways, or the 5 best ways, what I think are the 5 best ways to monetize your blog without ads. So here we go. Now, if you're looking for a way to start making money right away within the shortest period of time, offering coaching, consulting, or services is the way to go. You can throw up a sales page and a PayPal button on that website of yours within minutes and start driving people to your services. When I first started online, I offered one-on-one coaching to network marketers and small business owners who wanted to grow their business and their brand online. And I charged $1,600 for 6 weeks of coaching, and it helped me to really establish myself as an authority and go-to resource in my niche while I worked on growing my audience in my online community and building out my online courses. So let's just take a look at Natalie Goucher from nataliegoucher.com. She's an amazing social media coach, and she offers premium social media coaching, training, and mentorship to high-end clients. We can also take a look at Andrea over at thebrandedsolopreneur.com. She offers design and branding mentorship packages for solopreneurs. Or let's take a look at Tiffany Montgomery, the creator of Kingdom Entrepreneur University. She also offers private one-on-one coaching, and you can see she's booked out. And her coaching is designed to get you unstuck and get you clear on what to do next and how to monetize your ideas. So it doesn't matter when you started blogging or how much experience you've gained in that time. If you have a skill, why not offer your services virtually? So here are some ideas. You can be a social media manager. You can be an app developer. You can be a coach or a consultant, a personal assistant, a designer, a photo editor, a project manager, a speaker, a trainer, a transcriptionist, an editor. You can be a web designer, a content creator, a sales funnel specialist. Okay, the list is endless. Your goal is to help people overcome their challenges, overcome a problem that they're having. So you can use your blog as a platform to get your services in front of your potential clients and your customers. And selling a service is great because the startup costs are super low and there's little to no inventory. If you have the expertise and the knowledge in something, you can sell that expertise to someone else who needs help in that area. Now, the problem with coaching is that they are not scalable. One-on-one coaching is not scalable. Even group coaching is not necessarily scalable. In other words, your business size depends on how much time you have. So you only have so much time in your day, which means that you are going to be limited to the amount of customers and clients that you can take on. So what you can do is you can create a simple digital brochure like Andrea from the brandedsolopreneur.com did. And you can drive people to your site using the traffic and list building strategies that we've talked about throughout this course. And pretty soon you'll be able to build a reputation as an authority and an expert in your niche. Now, the second way to monetize your blog is with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn an income if you don't quite have the cojones to launch your own signature course. Okay, not everyone is ready or has the desire to launch their own online products and programs. So the next best thing is to sell someone else's. You can use your blog to promote other people's products and services, and when someone purchases that product or that service through your unique affiliate link, the creator of that course gives you a small commission in return. So there are thousands of affiliate programs out there, and if you're curious, sites will typically have a link at the bottom of their webpage that says affiliates or affiliate program, which explains how to sign up and to become an affiliate. So there are also affiliate networks like Share a Sale or ClickBank, where you can easily browse through and search for your favorite brands and apply for their programs. Now, usually you'd sign up to be an affiliate if you like the brand already. So if you're already using their tools or their software or their programs to grow your own business or to have success in a certain area in your life, then check to see if that brand has an affiliate program. So for example, I use and I talk a lot about Lead Pages and a lot about Teachable. Those are two key products that I use to build my business. And both of these companies have affiliate programs. So when I recommend these tools in a blog post to my email list or in an online course I've created, then I list the resource along with my affiliate link. So affiliate marketing is something any blogger at any stage can benefit from. I get commissions from affiliate links that I shared in blog posts I created years ago. So the bottom line is that if you like something, if you're using something to grow your own business, then why not become an affiliate? So check out sites like Share a Sale, ClickBank, eJunkie, Commission Junction, and Amazon to find tools, ebooks, and online programs that you can promote on your blog. So another way to make money with your blog is to market and promote yourself as a professional speaker or by putting on your own conferences, retreats, or special events. You can do big events like a 7-day retreat in Bali or Thailand, or you can do smaller events like a half-day seminar or a weekend workshop. You can create your own retreats and conferences, or you can book speaking gigs where you speak to universities and corporations and other organizations. So for example, Natalie McNeil of SheTakesOnTheWorld.com has her Conquer Club Inner Circle and Conquer Retreat, where she pairs a mastermind program with her 2-day Conquer Retreat. Now, do not underestimate the work that would go into pulling off one of these events successfully. It's a huge undertaking, but if you have a background, say in event planning, or are extremely motivated and organized, and you're good at networking and making connections with companies and sponsors, this is a great option to generate cash through your blog. Now, if you're going to put on a large-scale event, make sure there's a strong desire for the information that you provide. So obviously, the way that you would make money, of course, is you would charge a fee to attend and or partner with sponsors to cover your costs and your salary. So if your focus is on speaking for companies, it's important to establish your rates. Okay, you don't want to do anything for free. You can make as little as $0 per gig or upwards of $100,000 per speaking event if you are a well-known established speaker like a Randy Gage. So if you check out the very popular blog from Social Media Examiner, you'll see that they are always putting on some type of conference or live event. And the success of those conferences and those live events have been a direct result of them building out a popular blog. Now, the fourth way to monetize your blog is with physical products. So for many bloggers, their blogs have helped them sell books and become best-selling authors. So take Lewis Howes, for example. After years of blogging and growing a popular podcast, he recently launched his book, The School of Greatness. Another example is Danielle Laporte. She has built a multi-million-dollar empire selling her Desire Map planner, and she's expanded into candles and all types of other items. So if you're crafty, you can create and sell your own physical products on your blog, or you can use your blog to sell and promote products manufactured by others. So you can set up your own shop right on your blog, and you can do that for free, which I'll show you how to do with WooCommerce later on in this module, or you can use a platform like Etsy or Shopify, but it's super simple to get started. Now, the fifth way, and what I believe to be the best way to make money with your blog, is with digital products. Online courses are the bomb.com. For real. If there was a such thing as a magic bullet for business, online courses and info products are where it's at. Personally, I think that the most lucrative way to earn money from your blog is to use your blog as a marketing tool and stepping stone to selling your own signature products and courses. Now, when I first hopped online, I wanted to make money with my blog. I knew I wanted to make money with my blog in some shape or form. I just wasn't quite sure how I was going to do it. But my focus at the time was to create content that attracted people to my home-based business opportunity. But then somewhere along the way, I realized that I could make more money selling tools, resources, and online courses that helped my audience build their own home-based business. I don't think I really understood the power of information products and how they can completely transform a business and brand. But when I began making money selling other people's products as an affiliate, the light bulb kind of went off and went ding, ding, ding. And what I began to ask was, what if I could create my own tools, my own resources, and my own online courses? I was already offering my expertise in the form of coaching, but what if I could package it up into a course and sell it all year long? Well, lucky for me, I took the leap, and online courses now make up about 90% of my monthly income. From selling ebooks to online courses, I can earn an income passively, literally turning my blog into an ATM by selling courses through my digital store and through the Teachable platform. Now, in addition to online courses and digital products such as ebooks, you can also create a membership site like the folks over at Screw the 9 to 5. Or you can create or teach live workshops where your attendees pay to get access. So it's just like a paid webinar. So there's many things that you can do with digital products. And one of the things that I love about digital products is that you create it once and then you continue to promote it or put it into an automated sales funnel, and you are basically making sales 24/7, 365 days a year. It's scalable and it's profitable, and you do not have to leverage all of your time to make something work. So just to recap and to get into action mode, there are a lot of ways to make money from your blog, and I'd say deciding to package my genius is the best decision that I ever made when it came to monetizing my site. The key is to be creative, to think of new ways to build on what you're doing and the skills that you have, and to leverage the strategies that get eyeballs on whatever products or services that you decide to sell. So to take action, start trying different monetization techniques to see which ones work best. And when you see which ones are giving you the highest return, do more of what works. And what's great about these strategies is that you can use multiple strategies all at once. I always use a combination of digital products, I do speaking engagements, and I also do affiliate marketing. So you're not limited to just one of these monetization strategies. You can do as many as you want, as many as you can handle, and you can multiply and increase your income by implementing one or many of these.